In this video, I'll show you how to check Windows battery levels. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to check your Windows battery levels, what you're going to do right now, click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, once this has opened up, right, you're going to click on this system right here. Then you scroll down gradually, click on this power and battery, right? Once I've clicked on it, you can look right here at the top, right? So this is what your system Windows battery levels are. So if you click on this view detailed info, right, you would be able to see everything about your battery levels, right? So let me see. Yeah, so this is it. So the battery levels, I think 100%. So this is it. This is all you need to know. So if I want to check the battery levels in the last 7 days, this is it, right? So I think the maximum is, I think it reaches 100%, right, most often. So, and on screen, the daily average I spend on this, I think my screen on the battery level is, I think 1 hour 24 minutes, right? So this is how you can check Windows battery levels. So if you look right here, my system is currently 97%. So yeah, this is it. And the estimated time remaining is, I think 52 minutes is remaining for the system to be on. So this is how you can check Windows battery levels. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.